Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel again, Learn Finnish with Mitch. In this video, we are going to study about the personal pronouns to be Olla verb in Finnish language. But before we start, I would like to say thank you for those who subscribe already to my channel and do like and share. Thank you so much for your support. Your support will serve as my motivation to keep going. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and let's start learning Finnish language. Now let's begin. Personal pronouns or persoonapronominit suomeksi. Personal pronouns refer to people in reference to the speaker. There are 6 personal pronouns, 3 in the singular and 3 in plural. In singular, I, minä, yo, sinä, he or she, hän. Next in plural, we, me, you, te, they. Personal pronouns plus be verb. Examples: I am, minä olen, you are, sinä olet, she or he is, hän on, we are, me olemme, you are, te olette, they are, he ovat. Next we have the personal pronoun with a positive to be verb. Examples: I am in Finland, minä olen Suomessa. You are in Finland, sinä olet Suomessa. He or she is in Finland, hän on Suomessa. We are in Finland, me olemme Suomessa. You are in Finland, te olette Suomessa. They are in Finland, he ovat Suomessa. Note that he or she is both hän in Finnish. Now let's go to the negative sentence to be verb. Examples: I am not in Finland. Minä en ole Suomessa. You are not in Finland. Sinä et ole Suomessa. He or she is not in Finland. Hän ei ole Suomessa. We are not in Finland. Me emme ole Suomessa. You are not in Finland. Te ette ole Suomessa. They are not in Finland. He eivät ole Suomessa. Let's have more examples. Minä olen kotona. Me olemme kotona. Sinä olet kotona. Hän on Suomessa. He ovat Suomessa. Te olette kotona. Let's have more examples. I am Filipino. Minä olen Filippiiniläinen. You are handsome. Sinä olet komea. She is my sister. Hän on minun siskoni. We are students. Me olemme opiskelijat. You are all from Spain. Te olette kaikki Espanjasta. They are good people. He ovat hyviä ihmisiä. Kiitos kun katsoit. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Heippa!